here it is. So let's open it now. The real unboxing, not unlike the previous unboxing. Wow, look at that lens, look at that beauty. It's actually quite big. I thought it was going to be a little smaller than that. For a Micro Four Thirds lens, it's slightly bigger than usual. It's actually a size of full frame lens, perhaps a 50-50, you know, the 1.4 50mm Canon, or it's a very well made, I love the feeling of it, the texture. Wow, this is beautiful, very smooth as a baby's bottom. Not that I've ever experienced how smooth a baby's bottom is, but I can imagine it's gonna be smooth. I'm gonna try and put it now on this camera and see what difference are we getting. I love that it's the lens cap. It's actually quite nice because it's got this big hinge. Now if you compare that to my camera, the Olympus, which I'm using now, look at that, there is a massive difference. Let me just show you the difference in the cap lens. You might think, oh, this is nothing, you know, but this is a real cap lens. You know, you can hold it with your big fingers. You can feel confident. This one is probably gonna get loose. Anyway, well, hello everyone, I'm back again. This is the Sigma lens. Let me move back a little bit. Wow, look at those eyes. This lens is not for indoors, I can assure you that. Anyway, I need to get up my seat now and go as far back as I can in the room. Oh, there's a problem with almost zoom lens. This is equivalent to a 110mm lens on a full frame. I probably need to put the light on as well because we're not getting the 1.4 that we need. Actually, which is a bit surprising. Why am I not getting the 1.4? This shouldn't be like that. Is it on 1.4? I don't know. Let me try a different setting. I put it on 1.4 now. I hope this will fix the problem. I'm still not very happy. Actually, it's okay now. It's brightening up as we're speaking. I don't know why is it doing that. So slow to brighten up. But this is the 1.4. I'm gonna take it out for a test. How is the sharpness? How does it feel? This is indoors. I'm about 2.5 meters away from it, and this is all I'm getting. This is about 3 meters now. And for comparison, I'm gonna put the 12mm back on. This is the 12mm. I was standing here, and this is the comparison. I'm gonna show you now a size comparison. Here is a video test of the Sigma 56mm f1.4. I'll try to not pan too much and zoom too much or move it. This is hold steady, held with hands, so basically handheld footage from the Sigma f1.4 56mm. There is a bit of an overcast up there. There's a lot of clouds and it's been raining. Can you vlog with a 56mm? I don't think so, unless you're paying a visit to the dentist. I don't think you should vlog with this camera. So as you can see, I've been taking some pictures here. There was a bit of cloudy skies and there's a bit of rain, a bit of an overcast. Sometimes the sun would come a little bit shine, but mostly there was no sun, a bit of a dim conditions actually. And to be honest with you, the pictures look okay. They are a bit soft, not the sharpest of photos that I've seen, and actually sometimes it would actually miss focus altogether. It would focus on the background and leave the person who's in front. So my thoughts on this lens, I'm not very pleased with it. I don't think I will keep it. It's not for me. Some people might like that look, that soft look that it gives. A bit of I think it's a bit light. It's like fairy. This is a fairy lens. It's not sharp. I don't like this lens, to be honest. I'm sorry. I mean, everyone has an opinion. Sometimes people get very offended, but I don't like the Sigma. I don't know why Sigmas, they always have this thing when they are very soft, very light. There's no sharpness. I had to increase the sharpness in my camera +2 in my Olympus EM5 Mark III just to get that extra. The other thing is a bit heavy. It's quite heavy. I don't know how many grams is this, about 400, 500 grams, perhaps more. But it just makes the whole body a bit tilts to the it's not balanced. So I'm gonna return this camera, this lens, not for me. If anyone wants to have any comment, please leave down below and I'll read it, or give me your opinion. This is something that I've noticed in this lens. It's always hunting for focus. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just moving the lens back and forth. So I'm just moving it very gently, about 10 centimeters back, 10 centimeter front, and all it does is just blur. I hope you like this episode. If you did like this episode and want to see more, here is my face. You can prescribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also there's another video here you can choose from if you want. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.